Welcome back to NextZen Tool Zone, your go-to destination for gear reviews. In today's video, we're diving into 25 cool automotive tools on Amazon that can upgrade your garage, boost efficiency, and make every job easier. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these tools are designed to save time and deliver results. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. $5,000A Jump Starter Pro. The $5,000A Jump Starter Pro is a powerhouse that belongs in every vehicle. I'm impressed by how compact it is considering the massive starting power it delivers. It can jumpstart large engines quickly without needing another car. The built-in safety protections guard against reverse polarity, short circuits, and overcharging. It also doubles as a portable power bank for charging phones and devices. The LED flashlight with multiple modes adds extra emergency functionality. Battery life holds strong for multiple jump starts on a single charge. Instead of waiting for roadside assistance, you can handle dead battery situations confidently. For peace of mind and reliable emergency backup, this jump starter is an absolute essential. Digital Tire Inflator Gauge. The digital tire inflator gauge combines accuracy and convenience in one compact tool. I like how it gives precise PSI readings instantly, helping maintain optimal tire pressure. The digital display is clear and easy to read in different lighting conditions. It feels sturdy and well-built, not flimsy like cheaper gauges. Proper tire pressure improves handling, safety, and fuel efficiency, so this small device makes a big difference. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable use even during quick pressure checks on multiple tires. It's lightweight enough to store in your glove compartment. Whether you're preparing for a long drive or just doing routine maintenance, this gauge helps keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. 360 Pivot Snow Brush. The 360 Pivot Snow Brush is perfect for tackling winter mornings quickly and efficiently. I love the rotating head that adjusts to different angles, making it easier to clear snow from windshields and roofs. The bristles are firm enough to remove heavy snow, but gentle enough to avoid scratching glass. It also includes a sturdy ice scraper that breaks through frozen buildup fast. The extendable handle provides extra reach for larger vehicles. Durable construction ensures it can handle tough weather conditions season after season. Instead of struggling with frozen windshields, this brush makes clearing your vehicle faster and less frustrating. It's a simple yet essential winter tool that keeps you prepared. Auto Connector Pliers Set. The Auto Connector Pliers Set makes disconnecting stubborn fuel lines and electrical connectors so much easier. I've struggled before with tight fittings, but these pliers grip securely without damaging clips. The angled design gives better access in tight engine compartments, which is a huge advantage. They're built from strong materials, so they don't flex under pressure. I especially appreciate how they reduce the risk of breaking fragile plastic connectors. That alone saves time and money. Whether you're replacing sensors or working on fuel systems, this set speeds up the process. The ergonomic handles provide comfort during longer jobs. If you regularly deal with connectors and clips, these pliers are a small investment that delivers major convenience in everyday repairs. LVLP Paint Spray Gun. The LVLP paint spray gun is a fantastic option for anyone doing bodywork or touch-up jobs. I like how it uses lower air pressure while still delivering smooth, even coverage. That means less overspray and better paint control. The adjustable nozzle allows you to fine-tune the spray pattern for different projects, whether it's panels, bumpers, or custom parts. It feels lightweight but sturdy, making it easy to handle during longer sessions. Cleaning is straightforward, which is essential for maintaining consistent performance. For DIY painters or small garage projects, this spray gun provides professional-looking results without expensive shop equipment. If you're serious about achieving clean finishes and saving on paint, this tool is definitely worth considering for your setup. Portable Digital Tire Inflator. The portable digital tire inflator is one of the most practical tools you can keep in your car. I love how compact it is while still delivering strong air pressure. The digital display makes it easy to set your desired PSI, and it automatically shuts off once reached. That prevents overinflation and keeps things safe. It's perfect for cars, bikes, and even sports equipment. The built-in LED light is handy during nighttime emergencies. Instead of searching for gas station air pumps, you can handle tire pressure right at home or on the road. Proper tire pressure improves safety and fuel efficiency, so this tool quickly pays for itself. It's convenient, reliable, and incredibly easy to use whenever you need it most.
Pro Rolling Garage Stool. The Pro Rolling Garage Stool makes long repair sessions much more comfortable. I personally love how it reduces strain on your knees and back while working on lower sections of the vehicle. The smooth rolling casters glide easily across garage floors, allowing you to move around without constantly standing up. The padded seat provides solid comfort even during extended jobs. It also includes a built-in tool tray underneath, which keeps frequently used tools within reach. The sturdy frame supports weight securely, giving confidence during use. Instead of constantly bending or kneeling, this stool improves efficiency and comfort. For anyone who spends serious time in the garage, it's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference. Digital Car Battery Tester. The Digital Car Battery Tester takes the guesswork out of battery health checks. I like how it quickly analyzes voltage, cranking power, and overall battery condition in seconds. The digital screen clearly displays results, so you immediately know whether your battery is strong, weak, or needs replacement. It works on a wide range of battery types, making it very versatile. Instead of waiting for your car not to start, you can monitor battery performance proactively. The compact design makes it easy to store in your toolbox or glove compartment. It's simple to use, even if you're not highly technical. For preventing unexpected breakdowns, this tester is a smart and practical investment. Advanced Power Circuit Tester. The Advanced Power Circuit Tester is an incredibly useful tool for tracking electrical issues fast. I found it especially helpful when diagnosing blown fuses, faulty wiring, or power supply problems. It allows you to test voltage, activate components, and check ground connections with precision. The long cable gives extended reach around the vehicle, which adds flexibility. The display provides clear readings, and the controls are intuitive enough for beginners. Built-in safety protection helps prevent accidental damage to sensitive systems. Instead of guessing where electrical faults are hiding, this tester helps you isolate problems efficiently. For anyone dealing with modern automotive electronics, it's a professional-grade solution that saves both time and frustration. Magnetic LED Mechanic Light. The magnetic LED mechanic light makes working in dark engine bays so much easier. I've used it under dashboards and inside wheel wells where regular lights just don't reach. The strong magnetic base sticks securely to metal surfaces, keeping your hands free. It also features adjustable brightness levels, so you can control the intensity based on your workspace. The flexible neck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it. It's rechargeable, which saves money on batteries over time. Durable construction ensures it can handle drops and rough garage conditions. If you've ever struggled with poor visibility during repairs, this light dramatically improves accuracy and comfort while working on detailed automotive tasks. Cordless Car Polisher Kit. The Cordless Car Polisher Kit is a game changer for restoring shine and removing swirl marks. I love the freedom of cordless operation, which makes moving around the vehicle effortless. It delivers consistent power while remaining lightweight and comfortable to hold. The variable speed settings allow better control depending on whether you're polishing, waxing, or buffing. It comes with multiple pads designed for different finishing stages. The battery life is impressive, giving enough runtime for full vehicle detailing sessions. Instead of expensive professional detailing services, this kit helps achieve glossy, showroom-level results at home. It's ideal for maintaining paint condition and protecting your investment. If you care about your car's appearance, this polisher truly stands out. Pro Ventus Smoke Tester. The Pro Ventus Smoke Tester is another powerful solution for finding leaks quickly. I like how it produces dense smoke that makes pinpointing air and vacuum leaks simple. It's especially useful for diagnosing evap system issues and hard-to-find intake problems. The unit is designed with safety features that regulate pressure, protecting vehicle components. Setup is straightforward, and the clear output helps identify leaks within minutes. Instead of endless trial and error, this tool gives visual confirmation of the exact problem area. It's suitable for home garages and professional environments alike. If you want accurate diagnostics without disassembling half the engine, this smoke tester makes troubleshooting efficient, precise, and far less frustrating overall.
Digital Voltmeter Pro. The Digital Voltmeter Pro is one of those tools every car owner should keep nearby. I use it for checking battery voltage, alternator performance, and general electrical troubleshooting. The display is bright and easy to read, even in low-light garage conditions. What really stands out is its accuracy and quick response time, giving reliable readings in seconds. It's compact, lightweight, and durable enough to handle regular use. Whether you're diagnosing a weak battery or testing wiring connections, this meter keeps things simple and efficient. The protective outer casing adds durability, and the probes feel solid and secure during use. For anyone working on modern vehicles packed with electronics, this voltmeter is a dependable, affordable addition to your toolbox. Pro OBD2 Engine Scanner. The Pro OBD2 Engine Scanner makes check engine lights far less intimidating. I plug it in, and within seconds it reads and clears codes without needing a trip to the mechanic. It supports most vehicles and provides real-time data like engine temperature, RPM, and fuel system status. The interface is user-friendly, so even beginners can navigate through menus easily. I appreciate how it explains trouble codes clearly, helping you understand what's actually wrong. Instead of guessing, you get real information that helps make smart repair decisions. It's compact enough to store in your glove box, ready whenever that warning light appears. For anyone who wants better control over vehicle diagnostics, this scanner delivers professional-level insights at a practical price point. Dual Pack Smart Charger. The Dual Pack Smart Charger is perfect for keeping multiple batteries maintained without overcharging them. I really like how it automatically detects battery type and adjusts the charging mode for optimal performance. That means you can safely use it on cars, motorcycles, and even small equipment batteries. The dual charging capability lets you work on 2 batteries at once, saving time in the garage. It features built-in protection against overheating, short circuits, and reverse polarity, which gives extra peace of mind. The LED indicators clearly show charging status, so you always know what's happening. Instead of dealing with dead batteries after long storage periods, this smart charger keeps everything ready to go. It's compact, efficient, and incredibly reliable for everyday use.
TRMS Digital Multimeter Pro. The TRMS Digital Multimeter Pro is a powerful diagnostic tool for anyone serious about electrical troubleshooting. I appreciate the true RMS accuracy, which provides more precise readings on modern vehicles with complex electronics. It measures voltage, current, resistance, and more, making it extremely versatile. The backlit display is bright and easy to read even in dim garages. It feels sturdy and well-built, designed to handle regular use. The included test leads are secure and responsive, ensuring accurate measurements every time. Whether you're diagnosing wiring problems, testing sensors, or checking fuses, this multimeter makes the process straightforward. For beginners and experienced mechanics, it's an essential tool that delivers dependable results without complicated setup. Dual Screen Tire Inflator. The Dual Screen Tire Inflator stands out thanks to its clear dual display system. I love how one screen shows the current tire pressure while the other displays your preset target PSI. That makes inflation more precise and stress-free. It's powerful enough to inflate tires quickly, yet compact enough to store easily in your trunk. The automatic shutoff feature prevents overinflation, which protects your tires and improves safety. It's also equipped with multiple nozzle attachments, making it useful for bikes and other inflatables. The controls are simple and intuitive, so you don't waste time figuring things out. If you want accuracy, speed, and convenience in one device, this inflator definitely delivers reliable performance whenever you need it.
Rubber Decal Eraser Wheel. The Rubber Decal Eraser Wheel is a simple tool that makes removing stickers and decals surprisingly easy. I've used it to strip off old bumper stickers and adhesive residue without damaging the paint underneath. It attaches to a standard drill, and the rubber material safely rubs away glue and vinyl in minutes. No harsh chemicals, no scraping with metal blades, and no scratches left behind. That's what makes this tool such a time saver. It works great on cars, trucks, and even windows or metal surfaces. If you're restoring a vehicle or just cleaning up old branding, this wheel does the job efficiently. It's affordable, reusable, and incredibly satisfying to use when you see clean, smooth paint revealed underneath.
The Pro Auto Diagnostic Scanner. The Pro Auto Diagnostic Scanner takes vehicle diagnostics to the next level. Unlike basic code readers, this one provides deeper insights into multiple systems, including ABS and transmission data. I like how it displays live data streams and freeze frame information, which helps identify intermittent issues. The screen is clear and responsive, making navigation simple. It's designed for serious DIY mechanics or professionals who want advanced scanning power without expensive shop equipment. Software updates keep it compatible with newer vehicle models, adding long-term value. Instead of relying on guesswork, you can make accurate repair decisions backed by real-time data. If you work on multiple vehicles or handle more complex repairs, this scanner offers impressive performance and versatility in one powerful tool. 95PC Home Toolkit. The 95PC Home Toolkit is perfect for anyone building or upgrading their garage essentials. I like that it includes sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers all organized in a sturdy carrying case. The tools feel solid and well-balanced in hand, not flimsy or cheap. It's ideal for small automotive repairs, household fixes, or emergency roadside adjustments. Everything stays neatly arranged, which saves time when you need something quickly. For beginners, this kit provides great value with a wide variety of tools in one purchase. For experienced users, it's a convenient backup set. The durable case keeps everything protected and easy to transport. If you want a reliable, all-in-one starter toolkit, this one checks all the right boxes.
Thanks for watching Next Zen Tool Zone. I hope you found these automotive tools helpful and inspiring for your next upgrade. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and let me know in the comments which tool caught your attention the most. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming reviews. Check the links in the description to explore prices and details of every product featured today. See you in the next video.